Sharanuja, dear, outside and doing laka laka. She looks like a wonder. Porcupine looking sleeve, looking like a peacock. Inkblood Productions, in collaboration with Film One Cinemas, on the 27th of November, premiered the upcoming movie Palava in Lagos, Nigeria. The dress code was Owambe Wonder, spelled W-O-N-D-A. My non-Nigerian viewers, I got you. Owambe is a Yoruba word translated to English means it is there. Technically speaking, the party is here. Okay? We use the word Owambe to refer to bubbly, grandiose parties / ceremonies thrown in Nigeria, especially by the Yoruba people. There's always excess food, drinks, and souvenirs in parties like that. So now we're on the same page. Let's see what some of the guests showed up in. We can either praise or roast them. Hey y'all, Chantel here. Thank you for joining today. Is this your first time here? I know you already love me. I know everybody loves me. You can ask the returnees on this channel. If you like what you see, please don't want to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on that bell icon next to the subscribe button, so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Also, because I don't want it to be the last time you get to see this pretty face. Alrighty, thank you so much. All the guests I'm talking about in this fashion roast had on uniform fabric, aka Asoebi, sponsored by Holland. The first person on my list, also a cast in the movie, is Bisola. She showed up in a co-ord set, blazer and a skirt co-ord. The skirt is in a mini length and the jacket is long sleeve. It's collarless and it has no buttons. Underneath, she has on this bustier top. You can see her girls peeking through. For bag, she opted for this black structured bag with gold handle. Footwear is a strappy silver sandals. For jewelry, she kept it really dainty in silver tone choker and earring set. She was styled by Damola. This outfit accentuated her figure, giving everything it's supposed to give. I'm going to rate Bisola a 7 out of 10 for this look. Next guest on my list is Diane Rosset, in a different view of fabric from what Bisola was, still from Holland Text. It had two color options, the one Bisola had on and this one. Diane showed up in this lantern sleeve dress that has a lot of detail. Velvet, a bunch of appliques around the front. It's a low neckline dress, matching mesh to make it look even more stunning. She tied it with silver earrings, silver watch, silver encrusted purse, and a transparent mule. She used the Ankara fabric as a headgear. She looks really nice, like a northern princess. Fit of the dress on her, amazing. It was made by Anne Usman. I am going to rate her an 8 out of 10 for this. The third person on my list, also starred in the movie, is Neo. Neo showed up in this look by Trax Apparel. White leg pants with wide waistband, button down shirt with collar, heading with silver chunky necklace, black boots with a spiky edge. He always looks very chiseled. He always looks very cleaned out, very fashion forward. I am going to give Neo a 7.5 out of 10 for this look. Someone told me that, why am I always giving 7.5? Why don't I just give the person 8? That 0.5 mark is very important to me, at least. The next person I'll be talking about is Jemima. Yo, she ate it. The details on this dress is stunning. I can't even believe that it's the same fabric that every other person used. It's a mono sleeve dress and it was done by Flat 17 Studio. See how she traced the fabric and just made them into sleeves? The lace bottom area, everything is just given. Fit of it on her, amazing. She looks like a wonder. She looks Owambe ready, red carpet ready. I'm going to rate Jemima a 9 out of 10 for this. Wanda is the next person on my list, and she showed up in this mini dress with a dramatic top area. It has some pleats and it's V-neck. It can also be turned into an off shoulder if she wants, from the neckline that I'm seeing, that is. And she paired it with a white gele, yellow earrings. For footwear, she opted for silver strappy sandals. Dress was made by Irawo Studio. Very party ready, very Owambe ready. It doesn't necessarily have to be like a floor-length dress to be Owambe ready. I think she looks very nice, well put together. I love her makeup. It was done by Sinella Makeovers. I am going to rate her a 7 out of 10 for this. Next person is Inidima Okoje, and she showed up and showed out in this mini dress by Daring Fab Ikunko. It's a mini length dress and it has some sort of faux peplum thingies on both sides. It's strapless, it has some designs going on around the bust area, and she paired it with this avant-garde looking gele, purple earrings, and these strappy gold sandals. Makeup was done by Rise and Glam Beauty, and her gele was done by Lami's Gele. I think she looks stunning. Fit of the dress, nice. She also accessorized with black sunglasses just to give it that would I say modern look here. I'll rate Nidima an 8 out of 10 for how she pulled this. Nancy Simen is next on my list. She showed up looking like one billionaire's wife. No, scratch that. She showed up looking like a billionaire in this straight dress with a bit of satin contrast on the side. The dress has a cold shoulder, it's long sleeve. She paired it with matching headgear. For accessorizing, she decided to go monochrome with this lavender Anyanwu purse and matching pumps. Her face was snatched beautifully well by Beyonce. She looks amazing. Love how modest she looks. I am going to rate her an 8 out of 10 for this look. Yes, girl. Yes. Iyabo Ojo is next on my list. Her is Go Big or Go Home. She showed up looking like a peacock in this dress by BKS Lagos. Mini dress with a train behind. The train is made of velvet fabric. On the tail of it, they are cut out of the Ankara fabric. It also consists of corset detail. It has the mesh sleeve around the shoulder. You can see that the fabric was traced into petals. Tie everything together. Shoe and bag, she opted for silver. Jewelry in gold. She also has some coral included in the mix. Makeup is so good. I love the eyes. I love the lippy. Done beautifully well by Mirelle Beauty, and her hair was styled like an African queen she is by Official Flare Hair. For this look, I am going to rate Iyabo Ojo an 8 out of 10. Styled by Oga Okoro, Ruth Kadiri is next on my list. Black straight velvet dress with the fabric on the top part mimicking an exaggerated bow. She looks really nice. For jewelry, she opted for this chunky silver choker, matching bracelet, and a silver watch as well. To complete the look, she paired it with a purple metallic ichaf. Her makeup was done by Oster's Place. Her gele was styled by Eminence Mez, and like I said, she was styled by Oga Okoro. 7 out of 10 for this look. Toyin Abraham showed up in a peplum dress. Is this a top and a skirt? It's looking like a dress actually. Done by Wumi's Couture. See this thing called peplum? I can't really understand the fashion behind it. Most people I have seen that wear it, they always use it to hide their pouch. I think it does more harm than good in that department. The top of the dress has a plain fabric. This is looking like raw silk as the base, and then the fabric was sewn in vertical lines on that plain fabric. The sleeves have sequin on it. It also has mesh fabric, and it has some sort of lace. This is actually not the official Asoebi. I just realized that. Nevertheless, she looks good. Not my favorite look on her. For footwear, she opted for this transparent shoe with silver bow. Her hair looks good. Makeup is speaking volume. For jewelry, she has on is gold bracelet, her wedding ring, and a silver ring on her right finger. 5 out of 10 for this. Next guest on my list is Mimi Onalaja, and she showed up in Zina Woman. It's a 2-piece mini dress with corset detail. It has some lace going on. It has some satin fabric going on. It has a low neckline as well. Second part of the dress is this boxy pleated jacket. For accessorizing, she opted for gold and pearl combo chandelier earrings, black painted leather pumps, and black beaded purse by Afrik KOD. Makeup looks nice, done by Revis Beauty. The only thing that I'm not really feeling here is the cape. She has some sort, not overly broad, but she has some sort of broad shoulder. I don't think it was wise to add something even more broad as an over jacket. It's not giving much. The pleat on the jacket is looking too heavy. It's looking too dramatic. I think it's also taking away from how beautiful the dress looks. From the lace to the corset to the satin fabric, I don't think this cape was needed. You should have just worn the dress like that, or made the cape in a different design, something that would have looked more structured. This is just all over the place and it's too big. It was a miss in simple terms. So for this, I am going to rate Mimi 6 out of 10. Oh, mommy, baby, but tumbele. Mommy is next on my list. I don't know if it's someone's remaining material that Auntie Mommy used, because there's nothing about the fabric on her dress. She just used it to tie gele. It's a sweetheart neckline, and it has this net porcupine looking sleeves. Bottom of it is made of lace. It's sheer actually. It's sheer. You can actually see her skin. Body. Accessorizing, she opted for this silver toned clutch, silver pumps with rhinestone details, silver choker as well with the dangling earrings. On her wrist, she has on these navy blue and purple twin bracelet. Fit of the dress on her, nice. For this look, I'm going to rate Omaomi a 5 out of 10. Yes. Next person we're talking about is Beverly Naya, and she showed up in lace not anything close to the Asoebi fabric. A light purple floor length lace dress with skin tone lining. It also has thigh-high sleeve. It has some skin tone mesh going on the top area. Bridal satin fabric. A bunch of appliques as well. The dress was made by Anne Cranberry. Bit of it on her nice. Makeup looks good. I love the purple smoky eye. It was done by Polycat Beauty. Her hair was styled in a low bun. Jewelry, she went very minimal. She just opted for this gunmetal chunky earring. Her footwear is a simple black strappy sandal. For this look, I am going to rate Baby Naya an 8 out of 10. Next person on my list is Layole. I can't pronounce her surname, so let's just leave that. She showed up to the Owambe Wonder premiere in the Asoebi fabric. This is a straight cut dress with beaded sleeves, and it has this bold looking thing in gold on the side. Dress was done by BKS Lagos. I think it looks stunning. I love the beaded sleeves. I love that it's different from the norm. I love the intricate beading around the bust area. Sandal is in gold. Jewelry is a mix of gold and silver in terms of earring and her ring. Hair was slicked back just to give the dress even more room to shine. Makeup was done by Onyi Slay. I am going to rate her a 7 out of 10 for this look. Ozo is next on my list, and he showed up in this outfit by Trax Official, same person that made News outfit. First thing that came to mind was waiter. You know this restaurant that they have Asoebi or Ankara Fridays? This is how they dress up. It's a white button-down shirt with bishop collar. It has the Ankara fabric on the collar and the pocket. It's short sleeve. The pant is some sort of a wide leg, but I think they made a mistake with the wide leg because it's flapping. For footwear, he opted for plain black. Accessorizing was done with silver watch, a bunch of bangles, sunglasses, and yeah, that's about it. This look on Ozo wasn't doing much. I am just going to rate him a 5 out of 10 for this. There's so many other things they could have done with this Ankara that this is not working. Greg Ojefwa just sewed an abada with the fabric. So this is a plain and pattern abada mix with lavender and the Asoebi fabric. I really like the combination of fabric. I love the embroidery going on as well. His filler is a mix of silver and purple. He made this look more African with coral beads. The rest of the jewelry is in gold necklace, gold watch, and gold rings. Footwear of choice is this brown loafers. I think he looks nice. He looks like a rich uncle. I am going to rate him a 7 out of 10 for this look. Eina is the next person on my list. Just showed up looking like the handsome bobo that he is. He paired the Ankara trouser with a pink satin button-down shirt and a nude pink hat. I think he looks well tailored. The fit of it on him, nice. Accessorizing was done with clear sunglasses, black wristwatch, gold necklace. The only thing I would change with this look is the wristwatch. A gold link watch would have done this look even better. Footwear opted for black strap shoes. I'm going to rate him an 8.5 out of 10 for this look. The man of the hour is next on my list, aka the main character in the movie, Richard Moffett Damijo. He showed up looking like his character in the movie. I heard in the movie he's a musician. You know this type of old musicians that want to be modern. That's what this look is giving. Only you have kaftan, bejeweled sneakers. I know that kaftan and sneakers is in now, but I would have preferred something plain. The bejeweled sneakers and the bejeweled jacket is clashing with the layered necklaces. This hat too on the head. It's a lot, and the plenty rings, and on the pants it has Ankara fabric as a border. That's like the only thing that can tell you that it's part of the movie. I don't know who styled this. I am just going to rate him a 6 out of 10 for this. I don't want to give myself headache trying to describe this look, please. Ihoma Linda Ejiofor and her husband Ibrahim Suleiman. They both showed up in different hues of the Asoebi fabric. Husband has on a jacket inspired outfit with a sash in black and a silver brooch. For footwear, he has on these black loafers with gold buckles. Ihoma, on the other hand, is looking sweet. She's looking cute. In this straight cut dress, it has corset detail, it has some net going on, it has bell sleeve, and she used the fabric. Oh no, this is not the fabric actually, but it looks really close. And Alice band. Makeup looks nice. Bag of choice is this clear purse with some gold and silver color detail. Footwear is a silver strappy sandals. They are yet to give details on who made the outfit for them, so I'm just going to rate both of them together, and I will give them, I think husband looks really nice. For him alone, the score will increase. I will give both of them a 7.5 out of 10. Fade showed up to the Palava movie premiere. Ruby Okezie is next on my list, and she's giving Gen Z vibes. This mini dress, it has a tie detail on the waist, it's off shoulder, it has dramatic sleeves. To amplify the look, she went with this chunky gold link choker. Of that, she kept her earrings simple with this. She also used the Ankara as a headband. Bag of choice is this gold encrusted purse. Her footwear is in gold and white. It has a crisscross detail at the back. The fit of the dress on her looks really nice. I will rate her a 6 out of 10 for this look. Shayla is the next person on my list. A simple kaftan with the pink Asoebi fabric, old stripe filler. Footwear of choice is this red loafers with white sole. Jewelry is a gold watch and a gunmetal watch. Shayla actually has on 2 wristwatches. If I start zooming in and I just saw it look closely on both wrists, you see. He's a comedian, so I'm sure he wants to make us laugh. I am going to rate him a 6 out of 10 for this look. Also, someone who starred in the movie, Beverly Osu. She was given in this asymmetric neckline dress in purple, stone, a thigh-high slit, it's mid-length. Around the waist, the dress has some ruching going on. It was done by Bibi Lawrence. Her jewelry tone of choice was silver studs, silver stacked bracelet. Footwear is a gold strappy sandal with transparent heel. The style of this look for me is her purse. It's the Valentino logo and it looks really nice. It's in sync with the outfit. She also had this black 4/4 fan. Skin is glowing, makeup looks nice, done by Snowbell MUA. For Gele, she opted for a mix of the Ankara fabric and a showcase of the dress on her nice. I'm going to rate Beverly an 8 out of 10 for this look. Last person in this fashion roast, and I intentionally saved her for the last because I have this message for her. Dear Sharon Uja, dear, take it easy. You don't have to always pepper us. Let us breathe from one before you give us another one. I beg you. Okay? Baby girl, showed up in this outfit by Stitches by Andra. I don't know who comes up with the creativity when it comes to Sharon's look. She always brings it hot. This dress has some fishnet detail. It has the fabric underneath, skin tone mesh, some appliques around the bust area, corset mimicking thing going on as well. Very flirty. It looks really nice on her. Accentuates her figure. She gave the word Owambe a modern outlook. I love her smoked eye makeup look with the nude lips done by Anita Adetoye. Her hair was styled in a body wave side part and the Ankara fabric was used as an Alice band. For accessorizing, she opted for silver earring, black structured bag, and these Aquazura pumps, I believe. Yeah, they're Aquazura. I know my designers. You guys should give it to me. One of my best dress. I'm going to rate Sharon an 8 out of 10 for this look. Guys, that's it with all the people I mentioned. There were over 20. Moving over to our best and worst dress category. Best dressed female without thinking twice is Jemima Osunde. She did it for me with her look. I'm here for it. I love a lot of other people's outfits, but the one I'm gravitating towards the most is Jemima's outfit. I think it was brilliant. I think the way the shape, the fabric was nice. The details nice. The fit of it on her, amazing. Very red carpet worthy. Who would I say was dressed female? Let me check again. I have to go with Omani. I wasn't really feeling her look, if I'm being honest. The sleeve, it's not really giving a lot. So what's dressed male for me? Best dressed male category really has to be A9. He looked so good. I love the way they played around with colors, the nude pink to the satin fabric. Everything was just in sync and I'm here for it. It was giving a modern take on the whole Ankara look. Someone who almost was my best dress was Neil, but once I saw any night, I was like, oh, bruh, Neil, take two steps back. What's dressed Neil? I don't even need to look at my phone. No brainer at this point. Neil's friend. Also, outside I was doing laga. Drax is the same person that made Neil's outfit, so I don't know why he did not get your own properly. So, nah. Watch dressed Neil. If you're a first timer here, what we do is I give you all the opportunity. I open the floor in the comments for you to let me know your best and your worst dress. Also rate every other person I mentioned. Like I always mention, it doesn't necessarily have to be same with mine, unless of course that's the case. Yeah, that's it with today's episode of Fashion Roast, aka the official fashion roast of the movie Palava. It hits cinemas on the 7th of December, so do well to go see it. I'm sure it'll be an interesting one. Give the video a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Alrighty, I'll see you all in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.